remember you have to put some limit anamata, maximum limit. So set cheshi how to check what is the maximum limit, that I will show you now. Just put 50. Instead of blindly telling like this, there is a process. Same. Okay, right. I will be sending you money for you, so you can add the budget later. You know how to add the budget, right? Yesterday I've seen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can add the budget later. I'll be sending you. Remaining ad groups, you can pause it. It's fine actually. You don't need to add all of the ad groups. Keep only one ad group. Remaining ad group,
Yes,
pause
sir.
it.
Once whatever you will say, that one I will do.
Achha, the first one is good only. Let me see the second one. Water purifier service near me. Water purifier service. Water service. Okay. Ads and extension. Okay. Next is also fine. Show me the another ad group. What? RO purifier repair is also fine. Ads and assets. Okay, all are fine. Your wish, whatever you want to on it, but make sure that you have to pause. Otherwise, it will be a duplication actually. You know how to pause it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll be after the class. I'll be sending you money. You can utilize it and you can add the budget.
Okay, sir.
Okay, stop your screen now. Okay, now I'm going to show you one campaign. Just observe this. So finally, you have to follow the same method what I'm showing you now. Okay, so create a campaign, new campaign, create a campaign without a goal, search network, campaign name. Yeah, what do you want to focus on? Clicks. Here it is asking you set a maximum cost per click bid amount, right? You have to select this. Here you have to select the amount, how much you want to pay. How to check it actually? So here, all of you know keyword planner, right? Open keyword planner. Why we use keyword planner? Yes.
To
Why for keywords? For a keywords, right? Just see here what are you going to do. Once you go to tools and settings, keyword planner, you just click on this and type the keyword digital marketing course in Hyderabad and get results. And what happens? Who will tell you what are the keywords people are searching? So you can utilize them. But in this also there are 75 keywords. Don't use blindly all the keywords. Whatever is relevant for you, that keywords only you have to use. So as of now you guessed it. Instead of guessing, you have to check like this. Now digital marketing course in Hyderabad, this is the high volume keyword. And they are also telling you what is the bid limit, 40 to 142. So you want to come on a 7th position, somewhere 40 also fine. You want to come on top, high range, it is going up to 142. Now, you want to mention this maximum CPC limit, you can go up to 150. So that your ad will be always on top. But everybody can't go to 150, right? When it comes to me, my range is 100. I can't afford more than that. So I'll go 100. So somewhere in the second, third position, my ad will be there. So money is not a matter. You can listen to them and put a high limit. So this is how you decide how much max CPC bid you have to go for it. Okay. Now assume that water purifier repair, you want to go for it. So come back to tools and settings, keyword planner, and here search for a keyword called water purifier repair in Hyderabad. I will be getting a keywords. So people who search for water purifier, see here. See people who are in Hyderabad, who searching water purifier repair in Hyderabad, the search volume is 10 to 100 only. RO water purifier repair 10 to 100. Kent water purifier repair 10 to 100. But there is a possibility without Hyderabad also people search. Let's change the keyword. Water purifier repair. It's a make sense like people who are in Hyderabad, they don't want to search Hyderabad keyword. People are lazy. They simply type water purifier repair. For this, the volume will be more. See here. Volume will be more. But this is going throughout India. To make it Hyderabad, you just click on this and change the location to Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, what people are searching, you will come to know. Target those keywords only. So water purifier repair, RO repair near me, water purifier repair near me, water purifier repair service near me, aquaguard repair, RO repair, aquaguard repair service near me, Kent RO repair. In such a way, 173 keywords are there. Now, what should be the maximum CPC? How much you go for the first one? Can you see the max CPC bid? Water purifier repair. How much you go?
So somewhere
92. So 36 to 78. So you can go for 79 or 80. Okay. So almost all of them going like this only. RO repair is only costing 92. Okay. So you can divide in such a way. You should create two ad group in this case. After seeing this kind of keywords, as of now I can do 4 keywords, 4 ad groups I will create. Water purifier repair near me, water purifier repair service near me. I'll put in one ad group called water purifier repair. Then I'll create another ad group called RO repair. RO repair near me, RO repair service are in another ad group. Third, Kent repair. Kent RO repair, Kent repair near me. This is one thing. Next, aquaguard. In such a way, when it comes to keywords, all similar keywords, you have to put it in one ad group. Don't mix water purify, RO repair, Kent repair, aquaguard repair in one thing. It's not wrong, it's easy, but your quality score will come down. In the future, you'll be learning quality score actually. So to satisfy it, it's always good. Understand the keywords. Here you have 170 keywords. Similar keywords in one ad group. Remaining similar keywords in one ad group. This is always good. Now let's example digital marketing only. Some people are searching digital marketing codes in Hyderabad. Some people are typing SEO codes in Hyderabad. Some people are typing PPC codes in Hyderabad. Some people Google Ads codes in Hyderabad. All are related to digital marketing only. Then what I can do? One campaign, one ad group, these keywords done. But this is not correct. All digital marketing keywords should be one ad group. Then only this is the perfect campaign. So this is account. This is campaign. This is ad group. Okay. Account means you already know that with single Gmail account, you can create 20 ads accounts. Campaign means what? What will you target in campaign?
location.
Location. Hyderabad, Bangalore, like this. Ad group means what will you target?
Service.
Services. But it is not correct always services. Now when it comes to digital marketing, I have only digital marketing service. Okay. But what I'll do is people are searching different keywords. So based on the keywords, you will decide the ad group. When it comes to our water purifier, we have only one service, water purifier only. Then one ad group is enough. But what I'm doing is I'm dividing them into three things: water purifier repair, then RO repair, next Kent repair, next aquaguard repair. All are water purifier only. But problem is people are searching different keywords here. Here all people talking about water purifier repair. Here people are talking about RO repair. Here people talking about Kent repair. Then what happened? My ad will be best Kent repair service in Hyderabad. Now here I'll write aquaguard repair in Hyderabad. Then what happens? Whoever searching this keyword, this ad is relevant. So there is a high chance that people click on my ad. No, I don't want to do this. All of them in one ad group. Someone searching water purifier repair, you're talking about water purifier. He's talking about RO, and your ad is same, water purifier repair. Customer is searching for Kent repair, again your ad is water purifier repair. Then what happens? And this is the ads. Okay. Now, assume that your ad is not relevant, people click on the next one. It doesn't mean that everybody click on the first one only. See, I'm typing water purifier, everybody using the keyword water purifier, it's good actually. Let me try RO repair. This guy talking again, same RO only, there is no water repair. So this is good. Next, Kent RO repair. See, Kent service. Here this guy is RO, he's not using Kent. So this ad is not relevant actually. This ad is very good relevant. So most people will click on this ad only. If you even come in third position as well. Aquaguard. Now this is doorstep RO installation, doorstep water purifier service, Aquaguard customer care. Okay. But when it comes to this, you can't use Aquaguard in the ad. Can you please tell me why? No one have used. Only this guy only used. Remaining people do. Copyright claim will be there because you're not Aquaguard. You can't use the brand. You can use the spelling mistake. But believe in this Aquaguard, you will make 2 lakhs rupees in a month. So I'm already in a process. I'm going to start this business. What I'm doing is I'm going to create a website. I'm going to run ads for these keywords. And on average, if you're getting 500 per service, daily 10 happens, 5,000 you'll be getting. And your Google Ads cost, assume that you're paying 2,000 rupees. Remaining 3,000 is a profit. Daily 3,000 means think about how much you're making. Okay. Overall revenue is more than 4 lakhs. After all the commission, you're making minimum 1 to 2 lakhs rupees. In such a way, use this Google Ads and think about one startup. What you want to do? Don't hesitate. You're an entrepreneur. Whatever the idea is, idea only. Now, even bathroom cleaning also, it's a business in Hyderabad. Dial is making crores of rupees because of this. Can you see this? Ads are running. No broker. These all the people officially see they have a dress and everything. What they're doing is bathroom cleaning only. But being a businessman, we should not feel like that. Bathroom cleaning is. We're not going to clean, right? We are doing a business actually. So in such a way, how many business are there? You just think about it. You don't have an idea. Then go to Urban Lab. Now it is Urban Company, I think. How many businesses you can start in one metropolitan city? Just check here. Saloon for men. Try to have 3 to 4 people like this who do this saloon work. Women, get in touch with them. Hair service, women therapies, saloon for men. AC repair service. Next, from March, there is a high demand for this. Home painting, cleaning and pest control, electrician, plumbers, carpenters, plumbers. In such a way, if you come here, you will see there are a number of business. They started with Hyderabad. See how many places there are. It is really a headache for him. Maybe 5 to 6 years, he will not spend time with the family. He doesn't have proper rest, everything. But from 6th to 7th year, he has a lot of money. He doesn't have to work for anybody. Salary satisfaction will be there. But what we are doing, working for software companies, after 5 years, after seeing the salary, we're buying a home and we're paying for the next 40 years the loan. And still we are slaves for one company. That's why always think about the business. I told you how to create a website. I told you how to do SEO. I'm telling you how to run a Google Ads. With a small investment, invest it, you get a profit, keep on doing it. Try to become a businessman. Job will never make you rich. Your goal is to become a rich in the long run. Job will never make you rich. So you should have some business. For a consistent income, as of now, your family needs you, do a job. But your always brain should be one side hustle. Keep working on your business. On a long run, go for a company only. As of now, it's been this many years I was working for others only. For the past 6 months, now I started working on my own business. Now I can see actually how much money is there when you work. Then there is a happiness as well. Even I work 10 to 12 hours as well. I'm working for my company. One day definitely it give me profit. So I told you many times, my goal is not to work till 60, 70. No. Next 10 years I'll work. After that I want to take rest. But this business should be in automation. Even you are not there, business should run. That should be our goal. Okay. So we're talking about how much max CPC should go. Then mention it. As of now, I'm going on average. So here Google give you a lot of, but you should have your budget as well, right? So based on that, I'm going for a 80 here. Max CPC 80. What do you mean by max CPC means? This is called automatic bidding. Google have two kinds of bidding, guys. Just remember, manual bidding and automatic bidding. Manual bidding means you have a control. You can tell to Google that I want you to pay 20 rupees only per click, 30 rupees only. Now Google done automatic, everything automatic bidding only. Automatic bidding, how happens? If your competitors say 10, Google say 11 automatically. So 1 rupee better than the other one. Penalty is in dollars, $0.01, but I'm just mentioning in this. Google say automatically 31. So Google is bidding on behalf of you. But how much I mentioned? My max CPC is 80 asset. Until 80 it will increase. If your computer says 79, it will say 80. But if your computer say 100, it will not say 101. It says that 80 only because the advertiser said max CPC is 80. So here I'm mentioning max CPC 80 means every time customer click on my ad, 80 rupees is not deducted. Maximum 80. It depends on your competitor. Competitor CPC plus $0.01 Google will deduct. So for our convenience, I'm mentioning that competitor CPC plus 1 rupee I'm mentioning. Okay, remember this thing. So initially, while we do it, make sure that you mention the max CPC bid. How to guess for any new business? Now, saloon for men, I don't know. Then come to keyword planner, tools and settings, keyword planner, search your keyword. They'll be telling you what is the volume of the keyword, what is the lowest bid, what is the highest bid. Based on that, somewhat budget you mention it. Next, I told you again, you made a mistake. Don't include these partners and search display network. It's a waste of money. Then select your location, which location you want to target. Mention Hyderabad, your ad will go to Hyderabad, but make sure that you select this option. Otherwise, people who search for this place also, ad will appear. Next, languages. Which language do your customers speak? English, Telugu, you can go for it. This audience segment is not required as of now. Ad rotation also nothing. I ask you to create ads, right? These are the ads, right? This is one ad sample. You can create multiple samples. One time you mentioned same day service. Okay. One more ad you created that cheapest bathroom cleaning. And one more ad you created like bathroom cleaners in Hyderabad. 3 ad samples you've given. Now, what Google will do by default, the same customer, here, campaign, ad group, keywords, right? Now here you can create multiple ads, not only single ad, multiple ad. But Google pick only one ad. So for one time Google check this, one time Google check this, one time Google check this. Then Google check on which ad type people are engaging more. Then that will become a winner. That will only. So that is called ad rotation. Prefer best performing ads. If you want to have a control, no, I don't want Google to check that. Rotate ads definitely means Google, you don't take control. 10 times show this ad, 10 times show this ad, 10 times show this ad. So this is what is option, but let it be by default option only. That is good. Ad schedule. By default, your ad will appear 24 hours a day. Okay, based on your budget. But you feel that when it comes to education or when it comes to bathroom cleaning, obviously a person should be searching in the morning only. Night, if someone searching, assume PK search kar raha, maybe computer will become relaxed and searching and clicking unwanted. If you feel like that, the night hours are not good. If you feel, then you can select. Again, some days, Mondays are waste. If you feel, then you can control. Monday to Fridays, what time your ad should appear. So days and time you can mention it. I can say that 9 to 6 only. 6 means 18 here. 12 to 18. This is Monday to Friday. Then weekends, I want to have a different plan. In such a way, you can mention it. Ad rotation means if you have multiple ads, Google will decide the best performing ad. Or else if you want, you can have a control. Ad schedule means which day you want to show your ad, which time you want to show ad also, you have a control. But without running an ad for some time, you don't know this, right? That's why 1 week you run the ads. Then in analytics, you will see the report. Which time people are engaging more. Based on that, you can take decision. Next, start and end date. By default, your ad will start from today. There is no end date. But if you think that you want to run this camp on particular time only, you can mention it. Select a date. I want to start from this date and I want to end on this date. Now it's starting on January 31st, right? If you want to end, you can end on a particular date, February 9th or something. If you don't put a end date, the ad keep on running. Okay? In what cases this is important? Now this is one campaign, right? Campaign. So you have a different campaigns, assume. This is one campaign. This is campaign 2. This is campaign 3. Every campaign have a daily budget. Correct or not? Every campaign will have a daily budget. Now this guy mentioned, right? My daily budget is 1,000. Now this guy mentioned that my daily budget is 1,000. This guy said my daily budget is 1,000. So ads keep on running. All ads are running. So 30 days, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. Overall, yesterday how much budget we added for digital marketing?
6.
How much budget? 6,000. 6,000 is a total budget. That is called a total budget. Total budget means your account budget is. So this budget account will be utilized by all campaigns. 6,000 you mentioned means 1,000 will go to this guy, 1,000 will go to this guy. So every day it's keep on going. 1 second. So make sure that, now you tell me, campaign 1,000, 1,000. Every campaign want to run for 30 days. 1 second, guys. Hello? Right. So my question is, this campaign want to pay 1,000 rupees per day. They want to run 30 days. Same thing, same thing. What should be your total budget then for 30 days? Yeah. Any guess, guys? Smita?
30,000.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer, guys? Jayant, how much?
10,000.
10,000. Okay. Next. Jayant, how much? Campaign 1 want to spend 1,000 rupees per day. He want to run for 30 days. Same here and same here. Then overall, how much budget should be?
Sir, 30,000.
How 30,000, man? Campaign 1 want to pay 1,000 rupees per day. 30 days is 30,000. Here 30,000. Here 30,000. Then total budget should be 90,000.
No, sir. Overall budget should be 30,000.
That is what I'm asking then. Here what I'm asking, total budget only. The overall budget, you have to give 90,000 so that every campaign will utilize. Okay? You gave overall budget 90,000. But here it says that this campaign is not working properly. Okay? You want to run for 7 days only. At that time, what happens? You have to pause that. Go to campaign and pause that. Or else you have to give a budget. Otherwise, the total budget will be utilized. In that case, what you can do is mention the end date. Because every company have a total budget. So I don't want this campaign to utilize the total budget for 30 days. I want to run this only for a few days only. At the time, mention the date. Otherwise, just leave it. Okay? Add rotation, add schedule, start and end date. Remaining options not required. Next, keywords. We already discussed you should use either phrase match or exact match. So how to specify the phrase match?
At least.
So digital marketing coach in Hyderabad. You mentioned something like this means customer should not disturb this pattern, but he can add anything before and after. Okay, so customer can type best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, top digital marketing course. Sometimes he can type free as well. That's why use negative keywords as free. Till now, both of you haven't guessed any negative keywords. Try to guess it. If any
Yes,
negative.
sir. In our campaign, we have.
You added?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, exact match. How to specify brackets?
Brackets.
This is good for small companies, but you have to add more keywords. That's it. These are the keywords. Finally, add. You have to give your URL, destination URL. Display path is optional. So headline 1, headline 2. 2 headlines only appear, but they give you a maximum 15 headlines. In interview, they'll ask you this question. Maximum how many headlines you can add? 15. But only 2 to 3 headlines only will appear. This is called responsive search ad. What Google will do, one time Google show these 3 ads, these 3 lines, next these 3 lines. In such a way they do the permutation and combinations. Whichever is working good, that will be there. So heading line 1 limit is 30 characters. And description, also you have 4. You can see here, maximum 4 you can add. But only 2 descriptions will appear, 1 and 2. The maximum character is 90 characters. Next, we discussed the site links. You can add a site links here only or separately you can write. Everything is fine. Just click on the next option. Then here you can the daily budget is asking. We're creating campaign, right? Every campaign have a daily budget. Okay. Total 3 biddings will be there. Okay. First, max CPC. Next, daily budget. Next, total budget. Okay. Max CPC is nothing but for keywords how much you want to pay. This is the keyword level. Daily budget is for campaign. So per click will be charged for the keyword. Daily budget will be for a campaign, how much you want to spend. Total budget is for the accounts. If you give accounts means all the campaign will be utilized. If you give for daily budget for campaign means all these keywords will be utilizing this budget. Like that. So daily budget you have to mention how much you're doing it. Click on next. Finally they'll review it. Everything is fine. Publish the campaign. It will be live. So as I said before, once your campaign is live, make sure that ad has to be approved. If there are trademark things, just now you've seen AquaGuard. You can't use AquaGuard in your ad type because AquaGuard is someone else. Water Purify, RO you can use. Those are not brand names actually. Those are the services names. But if you use the AquaGuard, it's a problem. Whether your ad is live or not to check, tools and settings, ad preview and diagnosis option is there. Here, you have to go and search the keyword, whether it is live or not, it will tell you. Okay. Now, once your campaign is running, what are the things you have to see? How to analyze the campaign? Unfortunately, we've run the campaign, but it took the time. Maybe sometimes it's taking 24 hours. Let's see today. I'm going to see a few of the other campaigns, how it performed. Recently, I created a campaign. Okay, I'll see here. So I'm going to show you the campaign which I created for ODMT. So by default here, it is not showing the numbers, but I spent money. Can someone observe and tell me why it is not showing numbers, even though I created a campaign? Yeah. Because
Balance exhausted.
yeah, balance exhausted, and the thing is the date. I'm checking 30. Yesterday I didn't run any ads, so you can select the date range. Last month, last 30 days are all time. When I check on all time, you have some numbers you can see. There are two campaigns I've run. Let's go for this campaign. My budget was 3,000 per day. The campaign was search campaign. The above was the video campaign. This is a search campaign. Total 3,530 times my ad appeared. Impressions. Interactions means clicks. 420 clicks happened. Okay. And per click average cost was 87 rupees. Now if you multiply 420 into 87, you will see the total cost I spent. 36,000 rupees I spent. Okay. Then how many conversions happened? 20 conversions happened. When I spend 40,000, I got 20 conversions. Let us calculate this. So 40,000 amount I spend divided by 20 clients. What is this cost? Someone tell me. What is this 2,000?
Cost per client.
Cost per conversion. Very good. So every 2,000 rupees I'm spending, I'm getting one conversion. Now if you multiply by this 20, again you'll be getting the 40,000 rupees. So on an average, when I spend 2,000 rupees, I'm getting one lead. Conversion here, my website means it's a lead only. They're not converted. I got a lead. So my customer support team is talking to them. 2,000 rupees, one lead. I don't know whether he converted or not. But according to our research, every 5 people fill the form, one person is joining to us. Means we are spending around 10,000 rupees on Google Ads to convert one person. 10,000 is a huge money only. But in digital marketing, we have a very high competition. That's why this is the thing. Okay. When we spend 10,000, we're getting one conversion. Okay. Again, this conversion can be 2 months course or 6 months course. So Google Ads is always good if it is a high ticketing price. If the person is joining for 6 months course, he's paying 65,000. Every 10,000 I spend, 65,000 is not at all a big deal. 55,000 is a profit only. But if that guy converted for 25,000, it's a loss for me. Because 2 months course I will not handle. My trainers will handle. Among this 10,000 will go to trainer and 10,000 will come to me. So 10,000, my advertising cost is gone. So I will be left with a 5,000 only. But still I will run this ad. Because being an entrepreneur, your mentality in such a way that initially your profits will be low only. But what you have to think is, one customer came to you. On a long run, if you have 100 customers, your service is good, they will refer more. Initially, you go for a low profit only. Think about the long run. Among these, if people convert to 65,000, no problem. I'm very happy. At the same time, profit also will come, very good profit. So both you should try. So at the end of the day, Google Ads is benefit only, but if it is a high ticketing, it is more. Anyway, as of now, our CPC is very high. That's why there's so many expenses are there. But still, it's good only. From next month, this month ending only, February, we are planning to have 1 lakh every month budget. 1 lakh. So in that case, we have to count. So every 10,000 we spend, we're getting one conversion. 1 lakh means 10 people will pakka join. 10 people means if you think all of them joining for this also, 2,50,000 is our revenue. If people join for this one, that is going to be $6,50,000 revenue. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate. Then few more things I'm going to show you. So this is the campaign. See here everything they mentioned. Cost per conversion, I said 2,000, right? But roughly because the cost is 87, I think. Every 1,835 rupees I'm spending, I'm getting one conversion. Okay. Conversion rate 4%. Means 10 people clicked on my ad, 4 people are converting. Click on the campaign. We're running 2 ad groups, codes and placement. Means under placement, all the keywords are digital marketing, placement. Just here. What are the keywords? Digital marketing codes with placement. Here all are digital marketing codes related keywords. You can see most of the clicks are happening for this only. But what is important for me is where people are converting more. Here we have 2 conversions and can you see conversion rate? Conversion rate is more here. 12% conversion is there. Okay. And total amount I spent is 16 clicks. Okay. Cost is not there. Now here these are the columns. Cost is here, right? Total cost is 1,300 only. When I spent 1,300, I got 2 conversions. Here I spent 35,000. I got 18 conversions. Then you want to test more, then pause this campaign. Try to give more budget to this campaign. Then you will see on a long run how many people are converting, what is the benefit. Okay. So you see the elements called cost, clicks, average CPC, how many conversion, cost per conversion. Every 1,900 I'm spending, one conversion is happening. Every 679 I'm spending, one conversion is happening. So at a low investment, it is happening. Conversion rate. Conversion value, this is not e-commerce website, that's why it is not there. Next, let me click on the ad group. What are the keywords are there? So these are all the different keywords. Digital marketing course in Hyderabad, best digital marketing course in Hyderabad is the keywords. So impression, click through rate. I'll tell you what is click through rate. CTR. click-through rate. Click-through rate formula equals to number of clicks by number of impressions. Into 100. Okay. Now if you see here, number of impressions are 1656. Means out of 1600 people searched, 189 people clicked. So 189 by 1656 into 100 means 11%. Clicks by impression into 100. 11%. It means every 100 people search, 11 people are clicking on your ad. 12 people are clicking on your ad. 13 people are clicking on ad. 4% people clicking on ad. See here, 100%. One person searched, that person clicked means 100%. You have to make sure that this click-through rate should be good. Okay, tomorrow we'll talk about all mathematical terms only. CTR, how it should be, quality score, ad rank score, somewhat mathematics I will teach tomorrow. Okay, this quality score also will be learning tomorrow. So this is very important. If your quality score is good, your rate will be less. Okay. Now, these are the keywords I'm telling to Google that if someone search this, show my ad. But what people have searched, I don't know, right? So here you will be having an option called search terms. Today, if your campaign is live, check this. Where you have to see is, first of all, what are the options I've seen, shown you, just see them, then immediately come back to search terms. What people are searching. Now, one guy searched digital marketing course in Hyderabad, digital marketing training in Hyderabad. I'll keep on finding if any bad keyword is there. If someone search free, immediately I'll block it. See, Emblix Academy best digital marketing training instructor means they want to join Emblix, not me. In this case, if I want, I can select it, add as a negative keyword. But if you think in a broad way, he's looking for Emblix, maybe click, he'll convert to me. So keep it. If you are a big company, that click is not a matter for you, just leave it. Digital marketing workshop in Hyderabad. So we don't want to workshop. So if you don't want this word, go to negative keywords, click on the plus symbol, type workshop. If anyone use the word called workshop, I don't want to show the ad. See the workshop. If someone searching the keyword, if there is a word called workshop, my ad will not appear. So what keyword you tell it to Google, what people are searching, then how to add the negative keywords. There is one more option called auction insight. Auction insight is the option where you will be getting information about your competitors as well. While you running the ads, how many others your competitors also running ads? Here, you means yours. Digital Nest, Simple Learn, Digital Meda, ISB, GCIT Academy, Upgrad, XLR, iElevate, IPS, Global. And good news is we are performing better than all of them. We are top. If you're not doing it, it will degrade your number somewhere here, fourth, fifth, sometime you will come on down as well. Okay. There are some other elements also it is showing actually. So these are the competitors we can see. Next, impression share. Means total you're eligible to appear 100 times, but you appeared 67% time. How much digital nest? 40%, 70. So we only much better than that. Overlap rate. Overlap rate means when your ODMT ad is appearing, how many times digital nest ad appeared? 48% time. Simple Learn 19%. Digital Meda 17%. Means only digital nest is only giving some kind of competition. But how many times digital nest come better than me? Position above it. If you put your cursor, it's clearly mentioned. Is how often another advertiser's ad in the same auction shows in a higher position. So Digital Nest performed 36% better than us. Simple Lane 25, 24. Then there are two elements. Top of page rate, absolute top of page rate. How many times you appeared on a top 4? CRP total 7 ads, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and bottom 3. Top of page rate means anywhere in the top 1, 2, 3, 4. 84% of the time I appeared on top 4. You can see ISB 92%. But how many times you appeared on a first position, absolutely top? 40% of the time I appeared on first. ISB 50%. Next, finally, outranking share. How much you better than Digital Nest? 55%. How much you better than Simple Learn? 64%. Such a way, outranking share means you with a competitor. Is how often your ad ranked higher in the auction than the another advertiser's ad. Okay, so this is the only where you will see about the competitor. Here, they're not telling you how much your competitor is bidding, but they're giving you the number. Based on that, either you can improve the quality of your keywords, quality of your ad, or you can increase the bid to compete with your competitors. Okay, so this is all about search network. Everything is done. We are waiting for your live campaign only. And tomorrow we'll talk about the technical terms like quality score. With that, search network will be done. And after that, we'll be going to display network. Anyway, your campaign is keep on running. You keep on observing how the campaign is working. All of you, the person who spend more time, question yourself, what is this, then only build on it. Same like a smartphone, one person buys a iOS phone. He research everything. He knows each and every option. Some people, they use only camera. They watch keep on reels only. Nothing else is there. Then there is no point of buying the iPhone as well. So try to check all the options here. If you don't check it, there is no point of investing the money. So check this. What is this? What is this? Ask me a number of questions so that you will gain the knowledge. That will help you for the interviews as well. That will help you for your future business as well. Okay. Fanindra, unfortunately, the ad is not appearing, but today it might take time. Sometime it will take 24 hours time. So yesterday, this time we added, right? Google.com/ads. There is a customer support number. Call them. Tell them what is. So this is the free support Google will give you. Not only related to this, anything you can ask the question. So like my daily budget suddenly exhaust. What is the problem? How much CPC I should go? Just gain the knowledge from them. Okay. Right. Guys, any questions in today's session? Today we discussed about max CPC, manual bidding versus automatic bidding, how Google take max CPC, keyword planner, how to decide max CPC I show you, and way to check our ad is appearing or not we learned. We learned CTR, and after that, once a live campaign is done, how many conversions are happening, whether your campaign is profitable or not, how to check, we've seen it. Any questions, guys? No questions. Jayant, I'm going to deposit money right now. You can add it. And let's wait for the ad to be appeared. Okay? Okay. Yeah, fine.